folks, welcome to the channel. I'm DJ
And I'm Sakshi.
We bring you another food vlog from Singapore.
Now there are many Indian vegetarian options in Singapore, but in this video we wanted to bring to you 3 of our favorite which happen to be pure vegetarian. Now different people mean different things by pure vegetarian. What we mean here is those restaurants where the entire menu is vegetarian. Now for the latest location and timings, please check online as it can vary depending on when you are watching this video. And on that note, let's get into it.
So hey folks, today we are at our favorite restaurant NTR. So we are very frequent here. So they serve very good South Indian food. So one thing we really like here is the consistency of the food. The consistency is really good. It tastes always similar, and the varieties also a lot. And kudos to their service. The service is really fast. So now I have ordered my mango lassi and I'm gonna enjoy it. So what I've ordered is, this is one of my favorite here, it's called Bisibile Bhat. So it's basically rice, lentils mixed with a lot of spices, tamarind, and they serve with the ghee and papad, and also yogurt or raita you call it. So it's very tangy in taste and it's really warm like a nice healthy lentil soup. So I really love this here. So I always try and have this here. So I'm gonna again have it today. It is so good. It's so warm, so comforting. So all-time favorite.
So MTR is one of my favorite places too, but I prefer this for breakfast. Nice and early in the morning when you have like fresh, hot, fluffy idlis and fresh, hot, crispy vadas. But in the morning, like you just have to pay attention that because it's so popular, it's very crowded. So you usually have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes at least, but it's worth the wait. So today also I've ordered my all-time favorite, a single idli vada combo. So let's dig in. Idli consistent as always, soft, airy and fluffy. So good. Now time to dig into the vada. It's nice and hot and crispy right now. So good, so crunchy, so nice, so flavorful.
So my other dish is here. So this is an open dosa. It's basically called a podi masala dosa. It's a very thick lentil pancake with a lot of the spices from podi. So podi uses a lot of like groundnuts, chilies, and all those sesame seeds, etc. It's very nice and crispy and fluffy. Really crunchy, soft, and a nice flavor from the podi and masala. It is heavenly for me. Hey folks, today we are at Kailash Parbat. So this is a fully vegetarian restaurant. We really love this place because they serve Indian street food from all India. So they have also a lot of North Indian food and main courses, but we just love their street food. So we have placed our order and we're just waiting for our food now. Okay. So our food is here. This is the first dish we ordered. This is dahi puri. It's basically fried dough balls. They make a hole and then put a potato and chickpeas and some other spices, and then put yogurt and then they have save on top of it. So now I'm gonna try this dahi puri, which looks really lovely, and you should always eat in one go. So it's so flavorful. It's like a flavor burst in your mouth. and especially with the puri, which is really crunchy and crispy. You should not wait to have it when they serve it. You should immediately have it because otherwise the puri get very soggy. So it's amazing. The flavors are really good. So my next favorite is here. It's pav bhaji. So you might have already heard about pav bhaji. It's basically they put a lot of vegetables and mash it together, potatoes, capsicum, tomatoes, and put a lot of spices and butter, and then they cook it on a slow cook for a long time, and then they serve with the bread, and which is nicely toasted and grilled with the butter. I never had pav bhaji here, so I'm trying for the first time. I always had keema pav here. So let's go. It has a little bit of kick and a spice, but with the lemon and the onions, raw onions, which gives you a different texture than the mushy mashy flavor of the bhaji. But overall, it's a quite a nice dish to order here. So, and the final dish is also here. So this is a grilled cheese sandwich. You get it on the streets in Mumbai, and it's basically they take 3 slices of bread, add chutneys, butter, and then add vegetables like cucumber, capsicum, and onions, and then they grill toast it with a lot of cheese. So you can see how much cheese they have here, over here on top as well. After grilling, they add more cheese. So it's a cheesy grilled sandwich, Indian version. It's about time. So gooey from cheese. There's so much cheese, and it's so gooey inside. With the potato, tomatoes, and the chutney gives you that so good flavor. Especially the butter. They use Amul butter, which is quite famous in India, and I really enjoyed the Amul butter. So the service was really good. As soon as you order, the food comes really quick. The drinks come very quick. The food was really good, but except the pav bhaji was quite spicy. The flavors not balanced, so it was okay. But rest of the 2 items, the grilled cheese sandwich and the dahi puri was just amazing. So kudos for service, kudos for food.
Let's move on to lunch at Podi and Porial. The restaurant is located in Little India, and the specialty is wholesome vegetarian South Indian food. The place is warm, inviting, and tastefully decorated with soothing music playing in the background. You can tell the food is made with love, with a delicate balance of subtle flavors and carefully chosen ingredients. So we today are at Podi Porial. We came here for our Saturday lunch, and this is a South Indian restaurant which specializes in Tamil cuisine. And the specialty is that they try to prepare like really homely food, and the menu changes every day. So today we tried their chef's plate, and I loved it. The flavors were so good and so subtle and really balanced. I really enjoyed the meal today.
The best thing I really liked was the vada and the different curries, and so especially the podi with the ghee was really good, and I just can have the whole rice just with podi ghee, and it was like lip smacking. You can see my smile on my face. It's a happy tummy smile. We finished our food with the filter coffee. That was also really good. And they have very limited space here, so you should make a booking and come. And they also added recently a bar, which is also open over the weekend. They serve a lot of South Indian inspired cocktails and drinks, mocktails as well. So do check out. Thanks for watching the video, folks.
And do hit like, share and subscribe, and if you have more questions for us, then leave them in the comments. We hope you are safe and taking care of yourselves. Until next time, bye bye.